Hi, I'm Jacob. This is my first devlog of a mod I'm making. It's called Blazing Overhaul. It pretty much remakes Blazing, yes. More like more. It also remakes the original Blaze, as you can see. It's pretty much a new mod that replaces the original the fire charges, technical models. I don't know models like the wind chargers, but it's just models. They just same way, but it's a little bit better. Not sure. And there's also this guy. Why is I have other mods on this? I forgot. Anyways, this is ground. Uh, yeah, there are more versions of blazes, and there will be versions of blazes. This guy, like the ground, like the dirt version, like this, the earth, like you get the deal. But also, he's still work in progress, so I pretty much have to remake him from the ground up because, like, right now it looks pretty terrible, I think. But yeah, I guess I'm going to record a new deadline next week. But yeah, honestly, no idea why am I even doing this to myself. Uh, I guess I just want to record my progress on the mod for some reason. Anyways, I guess if you enjoyed it for some reason, uh, you can subscribe or something. That is that what YouTubers say nowadays? I honestly don't care. Bye. See you next week, I guess.